Hey, what's up, guys? It's Paris Youngblood here, and today we're going to be going over the new Anthropic Claude Code. And I just want to start by saying this is awesome. I tested this application out to Dockerize a fun project that I'm doing, and it was able to do it. I did encounter some errors with the code itself, but Claude was able to, after a few prompts, was able to solve the issue and give me working code. I also did a few little minor things, and I was like, hey, like, let me show people how to get this running and get it running on the machine and how to use it. I did have to do a sudo command to get it to run, but I'll get into that over. So I do have some tabs open. I will be including the documentations into the description, so you guys will have access to that. And I want to give you guys a little brief introduction about myself. I was a full stack developer for the Space Force. I'm now a program manager, and my coding skills is very junior. So if I could figure this out, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys could figure this out. Because at first I was kind of daunting. I was like, how am I gonna do this? But I ended up figuring it out, and I'm not the brightest one here. So as you can see in the instructions for the Claude code overview, it tells you to npm install. So we're just gonna take this right here and we're gonna copy it. And so I copied this, and like what I said before, I'm going to be including the GitHub as well. But so I did copy this, and now I'm going to go over to terminal. So it doesn't have to be in any file. It just could be in your general terminal. And what I'm going to do in this terminal is I'm going to paste it. So as you can see right here, it's pasted within my terminal, and I'm just going to hit enter. And this is going to install that npm package in your computer to run this. And the next step that you guys need to do is you guys are going to locate the coding project that you have. So for this, like what I said before, I kind of already have a fun coding project. So I already have this right here in this terminal. All you need to do is type in Claude. So once you type in Claude, you hit enter, and for you guys, it's going to have a welcome message asking like, hey, what are your preferences to this? Do you like light mode, dark mode? Hey, this is what Claude is about. So it's going to give you a whole spiel. You go through it, fill it out. Yeah. And if you guys are having issues with the npm install, I'm on a Mac. Using sudo helped me with that. If you're on a PC, I believe there's commands to override it. But there we go. So we're in the application, and as you guys can see on this window, I have my fun project right here. And what is awesome about Claude Code is that it communicates with the whole project file. Everything that's within that project file, it can see it, it can make edits to it, and it could do awesome things. So here's what I mean. So I'm going to tell it to, hey, all right. So I'm a really slow typer, but I said, hey, switch the AI-powered space Q&A and the space exploration tabs. So let's see if it knows what I'm talking about. Hopefully I wasn't too like vague or not descriptive. Let's see what it does. Okay, so it's going through your code, it's reading through, it's looking at it, and right now it's applying the edits. And so here's another cool thing about Claude Code is you could either say yes and you could keep saying yes the whole time, or you could say yes and don't ask me for this session. So it will just keep doing these code updates without you continuing pressing yes. And then also you could tell it no and tell Claude what to do differently. So you could do that as well. But I'm just going to say yes, do whatever you want to the code, since this is just a fun project that I'm doing. Nothing too serious. This is my practice code. So there you go. Did it swap it? All right, guys, what's up? So I had to do a little bit of troubleshooting with the code. But as you can see, I did do a simple command. I asked it to change to ask Cosmic AI to chat with Cosmic, for it to change up there. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna ask it something kind of difficult. Basically, what I want it to do is when I ask it a question in the window right here, I want it to kind of pop out like a modal. So I want a modal to pop out, and then I have a chat window. So currently, when I chat with it, I'll be like, where is the sun? So it's going to do that, and as you can see, the chat window just stays there. So what I'm going to have Claude Code do is I'm going to ask it when I hit launch question, I want a modal pop out of our chat window. So let's hopefully this is good, because I mean, again, this is a junior level coder talking to this machine. That's how I'm communicating with this. So like your everyday Joe Schmo will be talking to it like this too. So let's have our fingers crossed this time. I didn't do it any justice the first time, but let's see if it can do it. So now it's going to be interpreting what I'm doing. I like that you could see everything, the thought process of what is going on in this code, and what it's doing. So it's working on this. This sounds like a very complex uh, thing. I feel like it is for this agent to do. So it's looking through all the code. Oh, okay. All right. Added the modal dialog pops out when the question is launched. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this did this. So I'm gonna do where is the moon? Oh, okay. So we got that modal to pop out. Let's ask another question. Okay. So let's do this. In that modal, I would like to continue the conversation there and not be redirected out. So if you guys are like, whoa, dude, like, why are you talking to an AI like that? Let me know. Hope I'm not the only one that like socially awkward at texting. But let's see. So mustering, it's mustering that. Let's see if it does it. I'm kind of shocked that it did the whole modal thing when I asked it that question. That was kind of awesome. And yeah, guys. So this is a little preview of my little app. Kind of like it. It's me having fun. Nothing too crazy. So okay, there we go. It gave us the code. It deleted some things. Okay, kind of cool. So let's go here. So you know what? I'm gonna refresh it just to be safe. Looks like there's no errors. So where is Venus? I spelled Venus wrong. Okay, boom. And we have a chat window here, and then it also moved over my um mic. Wow. That is crazy. Let me see if this works. So um how far is the sun from the earth? Okay, boom. So we have our chat window right here. This is kind of awesome. You could close it too. So it even thought about that, because I never prompted it to give me a close button. It already thought about that. So that is awesome that it already like was a step ahead. Um, is Pluto a planet? And that's Back in the day, this used to be a planet. That tells you my age. So, boom, and it gave me a close button. It works. Uh, I'm telling you guys, this is the future of coding. I'm not gonna say like, hey, this is gonna take over jobs. This is gonna do that. I don't know where the future is gonna go, but it seems like AI is kind of closing that gap, and it's gonna be rough for people that are junior developers. Um, and I kind of felt that too when I was first coming into coding. But this is awesome as like a coding assistant, helping assisting with that because I do feel like um, there is a mindset for coding that is needed. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was awesome doing. I really enjoyed it. If you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe. See you guys later. Peace out.